Hey, this is Sid with Gardino Nursery, and this time I would like to show you this very unusual fruit. Most of you guys know is the cashew nut, and this is the nut that you buy at the supermarket, but you cannot eat like that. This is the fresh fruit, and it's very toxic like that. It has to be roasted and processed before you can eat. The fruit is this part right here, and this is again, this is a very unusual fruit because the seed is on the outside. You can eat the fruit like that, raw, fresh, but the fruit is very astringent, like unripe persimmon. So it's much better to make a juice out of it, and the juice is just fantastic. It's delicious. You can buy the juice also in some Latin stores and supermarkets, and it's very good. Right here, as you can see, this is a mature fruit with a young one right next to it. As you can see, the nut is already pretty big and the fruit starts to develop. There's a little spider hiding back there, which is very cute. And again, this tree is quite easy to grow. It's from South America. Requires regular water and fertilizer, and it can handle light frost for short periods of time. And right now, beginning of May, and all the fruit starts ripening, and we're just going to have a good time making juice out of them. I guess that's it. I thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.
I got some fresh cashew today from my tree. Today I'm gonna make some cashew juice, very delicious. So this is the fruit, you see? This is the pulp, the yellow part, and this is the seed. They roast and you can eat, the cashew. But I'm gonna do the juice only with this part here, the yellow. So this one, I'm gonna throw away. Some people, they roast it, but I'm not gonna do this today. Don't use this part for the juice. So I already cut some, like 2 of these, the big ones, and you see here. I'm gonna put in the blender, so all that, and maybe like 1-2 cups of water. So it depends how much you have, and I'm gonna blend it. Gonna make some noise. So this is done, and now because it's very thick, I'm gonna run it through the strainer. I have a strainer here. Just a little bit, and then so this part here I throw it away, and I'll do the rest later, just so you can see. This is the juice. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon or lime juice. Not juice, it's something with the lime. Just a little bit, some drops. And then if you want, you can add some sugar or agave, whatever you like it. I like to put some sugar on it, just a little bit. It up. You can put some ice, and it's delicious. There you go. Perfect.
Cheers.
Cheers.